Today's the day. We found the abandoned building, Blue. We found the abandoned building. Yo, we're at 10K. Guys, do you fellas want to go in for a look? Shall we go in for a look, guys? I even found a spray can, and it's full too. Now I've got my Meta Ray-Bans on. I'm going to put them on record. I'm going to turn this camera around. Let's go for a look-see. We got Taylor here, and we got Jada here. We'll go suss out this building first. There's two buildings here. Hey Benny, how's it going, bro? Well, Dutchie, someone did a throw up behind you too. Yeah, bro, this whole place is being riddled with graffiti, bro, so I'm gonna go suss it out, bro. Wait for Taylor, Jada. Bro, because this place, there's heaps of places to there's heaps of places to paint in here. Hey, I need Taylor here because he needs to spot us in case someone comes. No, over here. Go put up, Jada. Guys, we're going in. We're going into building number 1. Bro, look at all this. Look at all this place to paint. Paint all on there. We'll paint everywhere, G. But I want to go inside. Now I know someone's squatting here. Because look, there's utensils there. Yes. Yes. Nice big wall. Look at it. Look at this big wall here. Just paint the whole thing. Be careful, brother. Yep. That's why you fellas are with me, guys. You fellas are keeping it. You fellas are my witnesses right now. Look, a nice big wall to paint here. Nice big wall to paint here. Nah, it's just gonna be a graffiti movie. I need to talk to the squatters that are squatting here though. Yo, anyone here? Anyone here? No one here. No one here at the moment. Alright, this will be a perfect place just to clean everything up and just paint the hell out of it, bro. Okay, that's building number 1. Like this one here, G. This one's a 2-story building. Oh, is there stairs up there? I didn't even see them. Oh, you can go that way. Oh, stop. Sorry guys, I can't. Someone still, yeah bro, someone's definitely squatting here, bro. I just need to talk to the squatters, bro. The squatters will let us paint, G, straight up. I just don't want to get a fright when I go in there. Hello? Hello? Anyone here? I'm coming up. Guys, I'm coming up. Watch out, you girls, you got shoes on? Yo! Coming up, G! Yo! Taylor? Hello? Oh, DVDs, G. Anyone here, bro? movies are there? Oh, look, there's heaps of movies.